Hello students, very good evening. I am L.K. Tripathi, your assistant teacher. Dear students, today we shall start chapter 4 of 6, that is Laws and Democracy. This chapter will enable us to know about the laws and democracy. What is correlation and link between laws and democracy? So let's begin this chapter. First of all, let's see what is law. Law is a system of rules and guidelines that are used to regulate the life of the people. Laws help in enforcing discipline in the society. Without laws, there would be chaos and everybody would want to do things their own way. So it is important for the ruling authority to regulate the lives of the people through some laws. This is very fact, dear children. Without laws, we cannot rule the country properly. We cannot enjoy our rights, our freedom. To run any country or society, there is need of laws. Law is such a bind or rope for the society or people which everybody has to follow according to the procedure of the government. It is important for the ruling authority to regulate the lives of the people through some laws. This is the duty of the government, to lead everybody's life in full motion without any fear and hindrance. But laws should be equal for everybody. Laws should not be there in different manners. All the people belong from the same country and everybody has the right to enjoy their life freely in the country. People living in a society, man or woman, rich or poor, upper class or subordinate class, should be equally bound by the laws and should face equal punishment if they violate the laws. This equality before law is important for achieving the ideas of rule of law. Law should not be there in the country which discriminate the people on the ground of rich and poor, male or female, black or white. Law should be there equal for all the people of the country so that everybody could enjoy their life according to their own. Law seeks to create equality in the society. The parliament passes new laws as well as revises existing ones in order to meet the evolving needs of the society based on the rule of law. Making of new laws. How do parliaments make the laws? for the people in the country. The changing nature of the society raises the need for new laws. It is important that a government is sensitive to the needs of the people with the changing socio-economic scenario and adopts new laws and modifies the existing ones. So time to time there is need of some new laws, some modification in the laws made previously for the society, because time to time through changing nature of the society there is need for new laws. It is demand of the time, because what the laws has been made once is not relevant or effective in the society for all time. Since every citizen of the country is bound by the same law, the government has to be extra cautious while framing laws. A particular law might be beneficial for one group of people, but it might be against the interest of some other groups of people. In such a situation, the government has to modify certain provisions of the law so that it does not lead to unnecessary tension in any community. Therefore, it is needed for the countries to enjoy the laws or to follow the laws so that no person of the society could get unnecessary tension anywhere. Laws and public opinion. Often different groups in society raise the need for a particular law. They campaign through the media. Sometimes it happens that different groups of the society demand or raise the need for a particular law. It means there should be a special law, a special treatment by the government in their own favor. They campaign through the media such as television and newspapers to generate public opinion. So to get a special treatment through the laws, they raise their voice, they campaign through different types of sources like media such as television and newspaper to generate public opinion. Public opinion is the opinion of the people. In a democracy, the government is formed by the representatives of the people. So it is important that they take into account the opinion of the people if they are convinced that a new law is necessary for the benefit of the society. The process of framing laws gets started. If such types of demand or campaign take place to make new laws or to frame new laws for the interest of the people, so the government create public opinion. Public opinion is the opinion of the people. India being a democratic country, the rule of law here, the government is formed by the representatives of the people. So it is important that they take into account means in the representative system of the government, it is the duty of the representatives to convey the message or demand to the government for the new demand or for new law needed for the society. So government also creates public opinion. Different types of informative sources also are implemented by the government to make new laws, whether it is beneficial for the society or not. Public opinion and the media play a significant role in the framing of new laws. The strength of a democracy lies in respecting the opinion of the people. The policies of the government are constantly affected by people's opinion. Any policy implemented by the government always are affected by the public. बिना पब्लिक ओपिनियन के कोई भी गवर्नमेंट को स्टेप नहीं लेती है और एक कांस्टेंट प्रोसेस है, ये सतत चलने वाली क्रिया है. पब्लिक ओपिनियन controls and checks the government from becoming irresponsible. Also, government is always alert and careful about the public's need, so that the government should not be irresponsible or unaccountable. The government is also conscious about not going against the wishes of the people while framing laws, because the same people might not vote them back to power in the next elections. Government is always aware and careful because it has to be for long time in the power, not only in present or current period, but also for the future period. They are always conscious and alert. So government never take any decision against the people's wish. Otherwise, they will not vote in their favor. They will lose their majority in the next election. So for the government, it is of utmost importance to attach priority to public opinion. That's all. Next we shall see in the next video. Till then, thank you.